Good afternoon to everybody. My name is P. Gautami. I am studying in ZPHS Ayatnagar. I am from 10th standard. So I am going to tell math subject. In this math subject, I have chosen second chapter sets. So in this sets chapter, I have taken one question. I hope that you all understand what is union, what is intersection, what is difference, and how to draw Venn diagrams by this video. Start. So the question I have taken is A is equal to x such that x is a natural number less than 6 and b is equal to x such that x is a even number less than 10. So find A union B, A intersection B, A minus B, B minus A with Venn diagrams. So start now. We have first of all we have to convert these circular forms into roster form. So we have to convert this circular form into roster form. So A. The information given in this set is x such that x is a natural number less than 6. So the natural numbers begin with 1. So the condition applied is less than 6. So first 1. We have to write less than 6 means 1 to 5 natural numbers. So second question, second set. So in second set the information given is x such that x is a even number less than 10. So the even number start from 2. So the condition applied is less than 10. Means we have to write the even numbers from 2 to 8. So these are the required sets by converting the circular form into roster form. So these are the required sets by converting the circular form into roster form. So we have to do now A union B. So A set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Union B set means 2, 4, 6, 8. By doing union, the set we require is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. So 2 and 4 are repeated in these two sets. So we have to write them only once. So this is our required set by doing the union, by doing A union B. So we have to draw Venn diagram for the required set. This is A set and this is B set. So we have to write the common elements in these two sets in this common place. After writing the common elements in this set, in these two sets, in first set except 2 and 4, 1, 3, 5 we have to write in this circle. And in second set except 2, 4, 6, 8 are there. So we have to write them in this circle. So we have to share full 2 circles in union. So the required Venn diagram is like this. We have to share full 2 circles when we do union. So we have done A union B. Now we have to going to do A intersection B. A intersection B means we have to write only common elements in 2 sets. So A intersection B. A set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And B set is 2, 4, 6, 8. So by doing the intersection, the required set is 2, 4. Why? Because 2 and 4 is common in both two sets. So the Venn diagram for this set, required set for A intersection B is, so the Venn diagram for A intersection B is, we have to write common elements in these common place, and except 2 and 4, the remaining elements in first set is 1, 3 and 5, and in second set, except 2 and 4, 6 and are the elements. So now we have to shade only the common part. A intersection B means we have to write only common elements in two sets. So we have to shade only common part in these two sets. So now I am going to do A minus B. A minus B. So A set minus B set. A set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and minus B set 2, 4, 6 and 8. So after doing minus, we have to write only A elements. We have to don't write the common elements in these two sets. So we have to write only A elements. Means we have to write only A elements means 2 is there in both the sets. So we have to don't write 2, and 4 is there in both sets. So we have to don't write 4. So the elements that are required after cancelling them are 1, 5, 3. 1, 3, 5 are the required elements. So Venn diagram for this required set. Venn diagram for A minus B is A minus B. So this is A, this is B. We have to mention compulsory. So we have to write 2, 4 common elements in this common place. So after writing 2 and 4, the remaining elements in A is 1, 3, 5 and B set is 6, 8. So we have to shade only A part. Means this part. So this is the Venn diagram of A minus B. So now I am going to do B minus A. So B minus A means B set minus A set. B minus A means B set minus A set. B set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus A set means. So I am going to tell now B minus A. So B minus A means B set minus A set. B set is 2, 4, 6, 8 minus A set means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after doing B minus A set, the required set is, we have to don't write the common elements in these two sets. So 2 and 4 are common. After cancelling them, 6 and 8 are required set. So the Venn diagram for this B minus A is B minus A. So first we have to write the common elements in this common place. So 2 and 4 are common in these two sets. After writing the common elements, in first set 6 and 8 are remaining elements. In second set 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 5 are remaining elements. So we have to shade only B, means only this. So we have to mention B and A. So after shading, this is our required Venn diagram. Thank you for watching.